Telegen's theorem is valid for any lumped network containing elements that are linear or non-linear, passive or active, time varying and time invariant. Telegen's theorem applicable for linear, non-linear, passive, active, time variant, time invariant. The theorem is based on Kirchhoff two laws, Kirchhoff voltage law, but is independent of type of circuit elements. This theorem states that in any arbitrary lumped network, the algebraic sum of powers in all branches at any instant is 0, or in a given network, the algebraic sum of powers derived by all sources is equal to the algebraic sum of powers observed by all elements. List of all branch currents and voltage in that network must satisfy Kirchhoff laws. Is also known as the principle of conservation of power. Consider two networks N1 and N2 having the same group with different types of elements between the corresponding nodes. Then sigma k is equal to 1 to b v1k I2k is equal to 0. Sigma k is equal to 1 to b v2k I1k is equal to 0. Proof of let kth element be connected between jth and nth nodes. Vk is equal to Vg minus Vn. Vk Ik is equal to Vg minus Vn into Ik. Vr is equal to Vg is equal to current leaving jth node plus Vn is equal to current entering the nth node. Sigma k is equal to 1 to n. Vk Ik is equal to V1 algebraic sum of current at node 1 plus V2 algebraic sum of the current at node 2 and so on. Vn algebraic sum of current at nth node. By KCL, algebraic sum of node current is 0. Hence, sigma k is equal to 1 to n. Vk Ik is equal to 0. That is equal to sigma k is equal to 1 to n. Vk of t into Ik of t is equal to 0. Procedure to verify Telegen's theorem. Procedure to verify Telegen's theorem. First, in order to verify Telegen's theorem, first find the current flowing through all the elements the network. Second one, find the values of power delivered and dissipated by the various elements of the network. Next, if the total power is written as sigma k is equal to 1 to E, Vk Ik is equal to 0, then Telegen's theorem is said to be satisfied. Procedure to verify, once again I repeat, in order to verify Telegen's theorem, first find the current flowing through all the elements is the network, find the values of power delivered and power dissipated by the various elements of the network. If the total power is written as sigma k is equal to 1 to E, Vk Ik is equal to 0, then Telegen's theorem is said to be satisfied. Telegen's theorem is said to be satisfied. Next, take one example. Prove Telegen's theorem for the circuit shown in figure. 10 voltage ki 3 ohm 2 ohm ni series lo connect చేశాడు. By applying KVL to the circuit, 10 minus 3i minus 2i is equal to 0. That is equal to 10 is equal to 5i. I is equal to 10 by 2. I is equal to 2 amperes. Power in 3 ohm resistance ka I square R, that is equal to I value anta 2 square into 3. 4 3s are 12. Next, power in 2 ohm resistance I square into 2 square into 4 into 2, that is equal to 8 ohm. Total power dissipated is equal to 12 plus 8 is equal to 20. Power delivered minus 10 into 2 is equal to minus 20 watts. Total power is equal to 20 minus 20 is equal to 0. Hence the Tanigans theorem is proved. Hence the Tanigans theorem is proved. Next, hence the Tanigans theorem is approved.